Welcome to BioFit Review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the BioFit Review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Weight loss is a healthy decision to protect a person from lifelong diseases, i.e., diabetes type 2, heart diseases, hypertension, etc. But choosing a weight loss plan is not as easy as it looks because everybody is different, and its dietary requirements may also be variable. That's the reason some people never lose weight despite trying the popular fad diets. The starvation-based weight loss is neither healthy nor helpful, especially if you are looking for long-term results. An effective weight loss strategy should address the issues which govern weight gain along with other risk factors for obesity, like inflammation, stress, and toxin damage. One of these strategies can be the use of BioFit Probiotic. BioFit is an all-natural dietary formula specially designed for people who find it impossible to lose weight. It is a mix of selective probiotics that are normally required for the maintenance of good metabolic health. Since metabolism affects all the body functions, using these probiotics is indirectly expected to improve overall health and quality of life for a person. If you are a user of the BioFit Probiotic supplement, you may not need to starve yourself or perform strenuous exercises to eliminate extra fat. Taking one probiotic capsule per day can be enough to promote a natural weight loss. How BioFit pills work. Different weight loss pills approach the process from different angles. As for BioFit pills, an effective multi-strain probiotic formula, it addresses weight gain from varying angles. The pills pack all natural ingredients, with the most active Lactobacillus casei bacteria, an essential solution to constipation, stomach bloating, and dyspepsia. As a safe and highly efficient supplement free of artificial ingredients, BioFit probiotic pills also enhance the user's immunity and digestive process while reducing sleeping disorders. By taking insomnia away, you will enjoy a longer and a sounder night's sleep, boosting essential hormones and alleviating energy levels. You'll as well reap the outstanding goodness of the healthy bacteria naturally produced by our bodies. By just taking 2 pills a day along with your meals, your body will be cushioned to optimal wellness and health. One remarkable quality of the supplement that makes it a favorable choice for weight loss is its ease of digestibility. The digestion starts almost immediately, and the immune system gets instant empowerment to fight against unwanted weight gain. It does take the place of bad bacteria, helping your body fight against multiple health complications. What ingredients make this safe and effective supplement? BioFit Probiotic blends safe and effective proprietary ingredients that have the power to lessen weight gain, promote wellness, and maintain acceptable health levels. These ingredients include bacterium lactis. When your colon is surrounded by high toxin levels, the risk of the bacteria responsible for causing a burning sensation and inflammation increases. The bacterium lactis work by cleansing the gut network and treating digestive disorders. Its effectiveness and work mechanism have been scientifically proven, although more studies are still underway to give clearer details. Bacterium longum. Active and proven to work by the Motility and Neurogastroenterology Journal, Bacterium longum is a powerful treatment for stress and anxiety-related disorders. The ingredient deals with bad bacteria that cause hypersensitivity and irritation. It does so by promoting healthier gut health. Lactobacillus paracasei, L. The last active and effective ingredient in this supplement is Lactobacillus paracasei, a powerful antioxidant that positively affects the digestive tract's health. It's an effective microorganism that works by inhibiting the diarrhea-causing germs activities, reducing lactose intolerance, and enhancing the digestive system's speed of food waste ejection. According to the Infection Diseases Journal reports, Lactobacillus casei intake can fasten the weight loss process while maintaining your healthy levels. Why do you need BioFit Probiotic Supplement? BioFit Probiotic Supplement comes with tons of outstanding benefits that you're sure to reap. Whatever your cause of weight gain, here are reasons you should add BioFit Probiotic pills to your weight loss plan. Proper intake of the BioFit pills will increase the levels of good bacteria in the consumer's stomach, ultimately leading to lower cravings. You will no longer crave junk food or anything your eyes get to see, so that you would be eating healthy. BioFit pills supply enough of the good bacteria to your system, facilitating a smooth and effective weight loss process. Intake of these weight loss pills will also boost your energy levels, aiding the burning of excess body fats. When taken correctly, these pills will prevent indigestion, ensuring food is digested completely and fast. As your digestion system is enhanced, your body energy will be increased, and your overall health boosted, as well. BioFit supplement works to activate melatonin production, a powerful relaxing hormone in our bodies. As you enjoy better feelings of relaxation, your stress levels will go down, and your night's sleep will be augmented. The BioFit Probiotic supplement also aids the proper absorption of essential nutrients from foods, including minerals, proteins, and minerals. As your body reaps from the high nutrients absorbed, the energy levels will sprout out, and you will no longer experience fatigue or tiredness. Conclusion: BioFit Probiotic is one of the most effective and safe weight loss supplements currently on sale. It works by boosting your metabolism, promoting gut health, easing stress-induced sleeping disorder, and helping your body convert stored fats into energy. You may have to take with your doctor before taking the supplement if you're suffering from severe health conditions, nursing, or pregnant.